Best deals.
1. Curd Maker. Experience effortless homemade yogurt with a Hung Curd Maker, designed as a multi-purpose curd strainer, curd maker, and yogurt filter strainer. Ideal for thick and creamy results every time at home. It also doubles as a dahi strainer and yogurt strainer for Hung curd. Perfect for thick yogurt, curd, and more, also it's strong and durable. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Grater. With minimal effort you can perfectly shred and slice cheese and vegetables. Get creative and make dinner exciting again by grating, slicing and making fresh zest to take your meals to another level. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Flour Sifter. Has a capacity of 4 cups, the flour does not overflow out of the cup, and the double-layer rotating mesh is used to fully disperse the flour, and the filter is more gentle. Comfortable to hold, simple to operate, just press the handle to filter the flour, keep the kitchen clean, and bring a better baking experience. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Ice Cream Maker. The BPA-free silicone popsicle molds ensures no harm to your homemade popsicles, perfectly matches the reusable plastic popsicle sticks and keeping you and your family healthy. Mold feature an innovative stackable design that saves storage space in the freezer, made of flexible silicone which made it easier to get the popsicles out. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Water Dispenser. The drinking water pump is easy to be installed and carried. It is ideal for offices, outdoor, public places, hotels, picnics or camping activities and anywhere. You'll always have fresh water at your disposal both indoors and outdoors if you use an electric water dispenser. Waterproof silicone capped button dispenses water in single press. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Dish Towels. Natural material, without any chemicals, to ensure your health and safety, can be reused hundreds of times. It is easy to clean and only needs hand washing with the detergent. These dish towels are made of high-quality coral velvet thickening material, they are lightweight, super absorbent and dry quickly. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Curd Maker. The food-grade strainer stand is pre-assembled and ready to use. It folds completely flat to just 3 cm for effortless storage, and its fully foldable legs allow for compact storage after each use. Featuring adjustable feet hooks, it fits securely on most standard vessels. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Fish Scale Remover. Featuring the largest surface coverage available, its stainless steel serrated sawtooths ensure even and complete scale removal. Say goodbye to missed spots and embrace perfectly scaled fish, including those hard-to-reach areas near the fins and belly. Enjoy a firm grip that minimizes hand fatigue, allowing you to scale fish after fish without discomfort or strain. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Chopula. Made from food-grade silicone with a comfortable grip. Easily remove the strainer, steamer basket from the jar. Perfect for scraping, stirring, and mixing ingredients. It prevents any food from getting trapped in joints. The non-stick silicone spatulas are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Silicone is non-toxic and insoluble in water, with high strength of softness, corrosion resistance. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Soap Dispenser. There are 3 separate compartments for your brushes, sponges and liquid soap or dish soap. The detachable base is easy to remove and clean, keep the utensils and countertop dry. This kitchen sink caddy is made of stainless steel material, which is waterproof, rust-proof and durable. Drain hole design. Sloped base allows water to drain out of sight to keep the dish soap dispenser dry. It helps keep your sink area organized and clutter-free. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Hanging Basket. The storage rack features an easily accessible basket for storage. This feature makes it perfect for kitchen storage or as a vegetable basket for kitchen use, enhancing your kitchen organizer rack. Features an under-sink storage organizer and an under-cabinet shelf basket. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Slicer. Mini chopper for kitchen does not require your kitchen space. Sturdy stainless steel blade for sharp cutting and long lifespan. Compact design allows easy storage, occupying very small space in a drawer or refrigerators. Very easy and strong to slice, even your kid can enjoy cutting dry fruits. Comes with non-detachable stainless steel blade which can slice off dry fruits so easily. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Air fryer paper. An essential addition to any kitchen and provides an easy and efficient way to cook food healthily. It also has waterproof properties and grease resistance to prevent food from sticking. Air fryer paper helps reduce cleaning after cooking as it prevents food from sticking to the fryer basket. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Chopper. A simple shake or twist of the chopper allows you to effortlessly chop ingredients into evenly sized pieces without manual labor thanks to the sharp stainless steel blades. In addition to chopping vegetables like onions, the versatile chopper can also shred, slice, dice and mix ingredients for soups, salads, sauces and more. Made from durable ABS plus PET plastic and high-grade stainless steel, the chopper is built to last. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Oil dispenser bottle. Compact and space-saving, yet holds ample oil for daily cooking, grilling, or baking needs. Reusable and transparent, made from clear glass with a food-grade PP cap and a silicone basting brush, this olive oil dispenser is eco-friendly, durable, and safe for everyday use. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Dustbins. Durable metal mesh ensures longevity and easy maintenance, moisture and rust-proof for daily use. This metal mesh trash can is made of black wire mesh and reinforced with a strong metal base. Open lid design for touch-free waste disposal. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Vacuum sealer. Mini sealing machine only takes 5 to 8 seconds to complete the food vacuum sealing. Keeps food fresh 10x longer than normal storage methods. The perfect solution to keep food fresher and longer. Reduce your food bills and wasted leftovers with our packing machine sealing. This cover sealing machine is suitable for steak, meat, fruits, vegetables, nuts, bread, jars. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Dish drying mat. The non-slip nature of rubber mats ensures that dishes stay in place while drying, reducing the risk of accidents. Easy to clean and maintain. The dish drying mat is tear and abrasion resistant, can be reused many times. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Paneer maker. Equipped with a spring-loaded yogurt press, the strainer optimizes the pressure applied during straining. This feature ensures an even and thorough separation of whey, enhancing the texture and richness of your yogurt without requiring constant attention, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. This yogurt strainer caters to families or anyone who loves a substantial yogurt supply. It allows you to process large batches at once, saving your time and effort, and ensuring you always have delicious, homemade Greek yogurt on hand. Product link is given in the 19th link.